Funny how a lonely day can make a person say, what good is my life? Funny how breaking the heart can make me start to say, what good is my life? Funny how I often seem to think I had another dream in my life, till I look around and see this great big world is part of me and my life. That is my life. Today, tomorrow, love will come and find me. But that's the way that I was born to be. This is me. This is me. This is my life. And I don't give a damn. I've lost emotions. I've such a lot of love I've got to give. Let me live. Let me live. Sometimes when I feel afraid, I think of all the mess I've made of my life, crying over my mistakes, forgetting all the breaks I had in my life. Guess I just add up the score and count the things I'm grateful for in my life, till I look around and see this great big world is part of me and my life.